Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset or change any user account password on Windows 10 PC using command prompt. For this, first click on this one start button and then type here cmd. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry and select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Once command prompt appears on your Windows PC, type here net user and press enter on the keyboard. Now note down the user account you want to change the password. Then type the command net user and then type the username. For instance, I want to change this one test user account password. So I will type here test and now you need to enter the password that you want to set for that user. For instance, I will set the password 123. This is my password for my test user. After typing this one password, just press enter on the keyboard. You should see a message. The command completed successfully. That means for your user account, passwords has been changed on your Windows 10 PC.